What's up, guys? It's me again. Today I'm filming in a real life video instead of Roblox. Even though I've been doing Roblox videos instead of RL videos soon, but I'm going to get a computer on my birthday. So if you see me on Roblox on a different name like Dashbo 174, you don't wanna hear what happened to the other two, okay? Like what happened to Dashboard 171 and what happened to Dashboard 72. Don't want to listen about that. And I'm just watching the ISO Speed stream right now. I'm just gonna play Xbox. I think it's on. That's also there over there. You guys can see. I'm just continue watching for like a little bit. Trouble. I don't get this. Who let the dogs out? And this is also speed, bro. Who let the dogs out? Woof, 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 woof. But this time it's a llama version. Who let the llamas out? Woof. Who let the llamas out? Who let the llamas out? I'm making a YouTube video in my ear. And guys, let me just go to. It's time to stop watching this now. I don't. Just get this pillow quickly. So you guys can see. So I don't know how to deal with. So guys. Well, honestly, guys, I'm just gonna keep it while I play. I'm just gonna use this hand to keep the camera, and my other hand to play and throw it. Let me just get the gun up. Let me just put this play. Okay, keep the controller. This place one. Let me just find a different place so I can actually keep the camera like this. Not too close up. Can you guys see here? Can you guys see here? Don't put it on the ground. Can you see? A sports game, but EA Sports. Can you guys see? Hopefully, you guys can see. Anyway, I'm just gonna be playing. Guys, you guys can see that I'll be playing. You guys can see I'm playing. Okay. Ready to play. Stop it. I'm just gonna to be playing some soccer, guys. I'm just going to the practice arena. In this guys, I have played this game this morning early on. Mistake. I'm continue running, I'm here continue. I'm going to actually more. So I like it. Yo! Today's feet also. Oh, he fall in the wind. Hopefully, guys can still see what I'm doing. Hopefully, this works. I might do some Xbox videos, but I'm not gonna do like too much because I'm doing in real life videos, gaming videos, and Xbox videos. I should. Nah, I can't say the ball can't come to. Yo, the ball can't come to the pole. That's unfair. Oh, really short. Yo, nah, it's unfair. That's really unfair. Look at both of them. Guys, just look here. I'm gonna look at controller. Look here. I also want to look at it. Actually, guys, I don't care. I'm just gonna go there. I'm gonna play. Guys, I like it, so. Oh, 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 oh. Where's Milan? Milan. Kick off, bro. Oh, okay. I'm going, guys. I'm going off. I only got the she's the other one, never, so you can easily get out to the pole. Understand? Because I'm in the streets. Yo! Yo! You guys, you see the tricks that I did? Switch play. I gotta play them. I was just breaking my ankles. Yo. Let's just, yo. You should get people going. Come on. Everyone on our team is looking at me. I'm going to get him. Oh, daughter. Oh, no, no.